Welcome to our EVS Draught Stops video, that will take a quick tour on how to install some typical windows and doors. EVS has developed a range of quality draught stops that are able to be fitted around the inside of timber windows, or door frames. The key advantage is that they can be fitted to any size gap and provide a professional seal against the weather and noise. Today Andy, from Exceed, is going to demonstrate the installation process. Firstly, he measures the inside faces of the doorframe. He then sets up his portable saw table to cut the chosen profiles to the correct lengths. The profile Andy is installing is the EVS Multi seal, which is a flat-faced design and can be trimmed with simple square cuts. Other EVS profile designs have beveled or quirk edges that require a mitred cut. You can also use a small tenon-saw and jig to trim by hand. To save time, Andy has pre-cut all his lengths so they are ready to be installed together. The first is the head profile that fits firmly between each side. The door should be closed and the profile pushed up to the face of the door. Don't squash the seal hard against the edge, as this may cause the door to be difficult to close. Andy uses his pin gun to secure the profiles in place. The pins can be 16, or preferably 18 gauge, and 25 to 30 mm in length. They can be pinned at intervals of 150 to 200 mm and away from the edges, to avoid any damage. We recommend Sally's Permafilla to fill the holes from the pin gun, as this can be rubbed in and wiped off to leave a tidy result. It's a good idea to wear eye protection and earphones. Sometimes a pin can misfire and bounce away. Andy hasn't taken very long and has completed his first door and is testing it to make sure it is opening and closing without feeling too tight. Andy now completes his second door, which we will let you watch. The next project are the windows with split profile double opening sashes. These will need their hardware removed and the inside rail trimmed at each end to make room for the profiles to be fitted. Andy uses a suction pad to hold the window closed so he can fit the seals into the correct position. The process is similar to the door installation by starting with the head and moving around the rest of the window frame. It is important to make sure that the seals fit neatly, and don't squash against the window. Once the seals are fitted, then the hardware can be reattached. They will need to be relocated into a suitable position about 9 mm from their original locations. The seals can be filled and painted to match the interior or left with their durable pre-finished color. The profiles are made of aerated waterproof PVC and won't twist or rot. The finished results look great and make the room sound quieter. Thank you for watching our video. If you want more information, please don't hesitate to contact EVS Draught Stops or Exceed for windows and doors.